different types of color from different brands such as API, Neve, and this one here that I've got is the SSL Pure Drive Octo. It's basically an 8-channel preamp. It accepts line level and microphone level, but we've got a little switch here that will change from a classic mode to asymmetric mode. And what I'm going to do in today's video is run a few different sources through this box. I've got a TR-909 drum machine, a Moog Sub 37, an Oberheim OBX8, and a few percussion loops. So let's run some stuff through it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of them, and let's get to it.